My name's Nikki Matarazzo. I'm a client solution specialist for Dell Technologies.
Would you like to show us around the booth a little bit and just show us some technologies, or if you have anything that you want to talk about, what do you want to bring to Connect, anything?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we can definitely start over here at the side of the booth. So we're here at Connect, of course, to enable both students and teachers in the classroom. So we have a wide variety of client or end user devices that we brought with us today, along with some networking for the data center. So we'll start with some of our mobility devices over here. One of the devices that we came to connect with today is what we call the 7400 2-in-1 device. It's a convertible laptop. It's a 14-inch screen and a 13-inch chassis, and there is some technology built into this specific device that allows end users or people to get connected as quickly as possible. So there's actually a built-in proximity sensor at the top of this device, so that when you approach the device, it'll wake up on its own without you having to touch the physical device. When you walk away, it will automatically lock the device. So some built-in touch-free security features. There's also a built-in 4x4 antenna that allows you to connect very seamlessly to any Wi-Fi that exists in the building. So that's one of our devices that we brought with us today. Something that we're seeing become very popular in the education space is interactive and collaborative technology. How do we get people in and out, or students out of their seats? So we brought with us what we call a 55-inch collaborative or touchscreen monitor. There's 20 points of touch on the monitor, and the software that you see here embedded now is called FlatFrog. It's a simple whiteboarding software that allows students and teachers to collaborate and work together. So it's very simple to use. You can use a finger or a pen, and you'll just pop in here, and you can start designing basically anything that you like. If you make a mistake or you're working in a group, you want to recreate anything, you can use a small eraser, erase as you go. The monitor itself right now is being powered by a microform desktop, and it's very simple. It's embedded into the back of the screen. So right now it's being powered by a very small form factor micro desktop, so it provides a lot of versatility to the monitor itself, because really you can load any software to the desktop and it'll power the monitor. Or you don't need to have the desktop integrated, and you can connect wirelessly or with a wired laptop in a boardroom or a classroom setting. Take some attention over here. So right now we are taking a look at two Chromebooks that we have today. This is a 3400, which is a 14-inch Chromebook, and this is an 11-inch Chromebook. Both are clamshell form factor, but we do have an 11-inch 2-in-1 or convertible. So Chromebooks are very popular today, and we pride ourselves on the reliability of these units. So we've tested them multiple times, dropping them 30 inches onto steel, and they have lasted durability, along with small micro tests thousands of times to ensure that they have the ruggedness in the classroom that they need. Yeah. So I'm going to throw it over to my colleague, Mike.
I'm the network sales specialist for Dell. So part of Dell, we sell networking devices, right? So as in our network switches here, we have everywhere from the campus to the data center. The special thing about our switches is that we have open standards. So our open standards allow us to put alternate operating systems on our switches. That gives us, allows us to use the software for better visibility, better performance, and it gives that little differentiator with us and our competition, right? Right here I have some of our campus switches. As I said, we do from campus to data center, and our campus switches allow us to have 24, 48 port PoE and standard switches. We have switches right now that are going up to the new standards of 90 watts. So for those IoT devices that you have out there that need a little bit of extra power.